Hello and welcome. Today we are going to explore the exciting world of network automation and programmability. But before we jump in, let's answer a crucial question. What exactly is network automation and programmability, and why should we learn about them? Network automation involves using software tools and advanced technologies to automate repetitive tasks in a network. It simplifies network operations by automating activities like configuration, monitoring, and troubleshooting. This saves time, reduces errors, and makes networks more efficient. On the other hand, network programmability is all about programming and controlling network devices and infrastructure using software-defined approaches. It allows us to manage and configure networks, dynamically adapting to changing needs. With programmability, we can create custom network applications, implement advanced policies, and gain flexibility. Now, you might be wondering, why should we invest our time in learning network automation and programmability? The answer lies in the increasing complexity of modern networks. Traditional manual management methods become impractical and time-consuming. By mastering automation and programmability, we gain powerful tools to handle today's network challenges effectively. Learning network automation and programmability brings several benefits. It speeds up network operations, deploying services quickly, and reducing manual tasks. It improves network reliability by minimizing errors and ensuring consistent configuration. Furthermore, automation and programmability foster innovation and agility in network design and management. With these skills, we can adapt to new technologies and business requirements more efficiently, keeping our organizations competitive in a rapidly changing landscape. In summary, network automation and programmability offer significant advantages, including time savings, enhanced reliability, and increased agility. By acquiring these skills, we gain the necessary tools to navigate the complexities of modern networks and unlock opportunities for innovation. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together as we delve deeper into the world of network automation and programmability. Stay tuned for more captivating and informative content that will empower you to master these essential skills. Okay, good. Thank you for joining me today, and let's explore the fascinating world of network automation and programmability together. If you found this video valuable, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel to support the content and stay updated with the latest insights and tutorials. Turning on notifications will ensure you never miss a new video and stay ahead in your journey to master network automation and programmability. Your engagement and dedication mean the world to me as we unlock the full potential of this field together. Keep exploring, learning, and innovating, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.